At U.S. Fastener Import and Trading Company, we're proud to introduce Mizumoto Machine Manufacturing Company, Japan's leader in precision-engineered stainless steel chains. Mizumoto offers an extensive range of high-quality stainless steel link chains built for exceptional safety, strength, and durability across industries like marine, construction, shipbuilding, and more. Unlike conventional chains, Mizumoto's chains feature a completely welded design. This proprietary welding method ensures unparalleled tensile strength and safety, reducing the risk of breakage. Look for the blackened area for proof of full weld penetration. Mizumoto's stainless steel link chains offer high tensile strength and durability for general use. Available in two options: Mizumoto Standard and JIS Standard, both crafted from 304 or 316 stainless steel. Chains are available by the meter, link, or reels to suit your needs, whether it's 30-meter reels for smaller diameters or 15-meter reels for thicker chains. Safety is paramount for children's facilities like playgrounds, preschools, and amusement parks. Mizumoto's child-safe swing chains ensure safety with aluminum-filled stainless steel links that prevent fingers from getting caught. Customize your swing chains with 5 vibrant filling colors: plain, yellow, gold, blue, green, and pink red. Available by the meter or link, these chains combine safety, strength, and aesthetics. For noise reduction and scratch prevention, Mizumoto's protection chains are encased in a PVC resin tube. Available in 7 colors: transparent, orange, yellow, black, red, green, and blue. These chains are perfect for securing bicycles, motorcycles, and safety zones. Mizumoto's unique welding method ensures high tensile strength while the PVC coating prevents damage and enhances longevity. Designed for anti-theft solutions, Mizumoto's security chains offer superior hardness and strength. Choose from stainless special steel chains with hardness 3 times that of 304 stainless steel, or safety chains, equipped with oval rings for enhanced locking. Optional features include PVC coating and stainless steel padlocks. Custom lengths are available for precision security applications up to 2,000 millimeters. Add style to your projects with Mizumoto's decorative chains. Choose from a variety of options including ball chains for hanging decor, twist chains and mantle chains with intricate, non-welded designs, and color-plated chains, available in 18-karat gold, bronze, and black finishes. These chains are perfect for ornaments, interior decor, and accessories and are available by the meter, link, or reel. Every project is unique, and Mizumoto specializes in customized chain solutions. From chains for heat exchangers and submersible pumps to assembled fittings and gardening tools, we deliver tailor-made solutions. Simply provide specifications, drawings, or requirements, and we'll craft stainless steel products that meet your exact needs. For low-light environments, Mizumoto's reflector chains enhance visibility and safety. Attach a chain eye reflector to any chain for higher visibility, making it ideal for parks, roads, and dark areas. Available in multiple colors like white, yellow, red, and green, this simple solution reduces safety risks in minimal lighting conditions. If you need a specific solution, Mizumoto offers custom stainless steel chain products, expertly tailored to meet unique specifications, including assembled fittings and specialty designs. To guarantee safety and performance, Mizumoto conducts in-house tensile strength testing for loads up to 30 tons. Certificates of material and inspection are available on request. Mizumoto's stainless steel chains are used in the areas surrounding the Himeji Castle in Himeji, a city in the Hyogo Prefecture of Japan. The castle's construction dates to 1333 and is regarded as the finest surviving example of prototypical Japanese castle architecture, comprising a network of 83 rooms with advanced defensive systems from the feudal period. As Mizumoto's authorized agent in the United States, we bring these innovative stainless steel solutions to your project. Visit our website to learn more or contact us today for a quote.